The iPEGTOP baskets are a storage lifesaver. These wire baskets are strong, and they can hold many things. In fact, they are perfect for organizing your home. They work well in the kitchen or pantry. Also, you can use them in the bathroom. They keep clutter away, so you can find things easily. Furthermore, the metal is sturdy. The baskets come with handles, and they are easy to carry. Because of this, you can move them anywhere. The iPEGTOP baskets fit in small spaces. They help make your home neat. These baskets are a great solution for a messy house. The iPEGTOP baskets offer great versatility. However, their design is also simple and clean. You can see what is inside each basket. This means no more digging around. Moreover, they stack together nicely. As a result, you save a lot of space. The open wire design prevents dust buildup. Consequently, they are easy to clean. Since they are lightweight, they are easy to handle. Also, they are great for kids' rooms. They can hold toys, books, and art supplies. They make tidying up a simple task. All in all, these baskets are an excellent buy. They make organization feel effortless. Finally, the iPEGTOP baskets are a true game changer. They transform chaos into order. It's like having a personal assistant for your things. They offer both style and function. For instance, they look great on shelves. Their black color matches any decor. Nevertheless, they are incredibly durable. They will last for a long time. Furthermore, they are surprisingly affordable. Therefore, they are a smart investment. You will wonder how you ever managed without them. They bring a sense of peace. You can feel a great relief. Pros: strong and durable, rust-resistant finish, easy to clean, versatile for any room, stackable. To save space, helps with organization, stylish. Modern design, handles for easy carrying, good value for the price, visible contents. Cons: may not fit larger freezers, cannot stack without resting on food. Features: built-in handles for easy carrying, made from sturdy steel with PE coating, rust-resistant and waterproof, open wire design for easy viewing, modern. Minimalist style, available in different colors, comes in sets of various sizes, suitable for kitchen, pantry, and cabinets, can be used in the freezer or refrigerator, portable and easy to grab and go. The iPEGTOP wire storage baskets are a simple, yet versatile solution for organizing your home. Made from sturdy steel with a rust-resistant and waterproof coating, these baskets are built to last. Their open wire design lets you easily see what's inside, and the built-in handles make them easy to grab and move. With a clean, modern look, they can be used in the kitchen, pantry, refrigerator, or anywhere you need a little extra storage. They come in different colors and sizes, making it easy to find a set that fits your needs. The iPEGTOP wire storage baskets are a strong, durable, and rust-resistant option for organizing items in any room. They have a stylish, modern design with handles, making them easy to carry. Because they are stackable, they can help you save space, and their wire construction allows you to see what's inside. While they offer good value for the price, be aware that they may not fit in larger freezers and cannot be stacked if they are full without resting on the items below.